Data Analytics is a course that I've developed for UCM. What we're really looking to do here is bring together all the material that I've been delivering for HNC and degree and focus it to the outside world beyond those kind of systems. So what is data analytics? To my mind, it's one of the, and actually I should say data analytics and machine learning, because to my mind, it's one of the most exciting spaces in computer science right now. Because we're all using AI, we're all generating materials from AI. And by the time you finish our entire 3 series, you'll have some insight about what goes on in those AI models. Now, for the record, and I have to state this really clearly, this is not a mathematical course, not at all. We are going to be harnessing the computer, its CPU and its RAM, and we're going to be letting it do the maths for you. You just need to learn a little bit of coding to get individual pieces of work out. And don't be afraid by the term coding either. If you're brand new and you don't know if you can code or would like to code, if you like Sudoku, I can almost say you're going to enjoy this. It's more the question now of you just thinking, should I just try the first session and see how I get on with it? Yeah, because at the end of the day, yeah, it's down to you what you would like to achieve from this. Also, because this is a machine learning course as well as a data analytics course, I'll be introducing to you concepts like vibe coding, very lightly, how to actually use AI to generate code, which can then do data analytics for you. And back onto the machine learning side, that's the excitement here, I think. But you do need to do the first 2 sets of courses. The first one is just a 1 3-hour session, just to see if you like R. The second set is pure data analytics, and it's just thinking about how do we use this package called R, and yeah, what are the different ways we can generate syntax, charts, tables, graphs. If you really enjoyed that, then you can come in for a 6 lecture series called Machine Learning, in which is a compendium of materials, as I mentioned before, that I generated for the degrees that we actually deliver. But don't be afraid of that either. You may not be wanting a degree focus. This is not what this is about. I've simplified a lot of the materials for a general population. So most people should find something of what they're looking for. And moreover, you'll be in a room full of like-minded individuals who actually want to be there and who actually want to study this stuff too. And we're bound to cover some really interesting topic areas because this is the thing that I love. It's my motivation. Thank you.